Hi everyone, I'm super excited to walk you through this n8n workflow that we just built, and it looks complex because it is. It's the most complex n8n workflow that we've ever built. So if you're following this channel, you would want to watch this video till the end. So I'm going to talk about something that I'm usually not talking about because this is not another outreach automation. So this automation is going to support the other side of growth, the inbound part. So don't worry, as usual, I'm only sharing things that's going to save you time and money to generate more leads and grow your business. So the intention for this workflow is to generate useful and SEO optimized new blog posts every single day, 7 days a week for our 3 products, Replic, Scalic and n8n, to increase our traffic and build more credibility for our brands. So if you're new here to this channel, I'm Magdalena. I'm the co-founder of the tools I just mentioned, outreach tools for you to use in your business. I'm also running a school community where we're uploading AI agents and automations like this. So overall, I'm here to help you automate your entire lead generation process with strategies and approaches that actually work. If you're interested in that, make sure to follow this channel for more, and let's get started. Okay, so before jumping into the workflow, let's talk about why we built this flow. So outbound and inbound together, they create a momentum you can't beat. Outbound gives fast clarity and fast results, but inbound, on the other hand, it compounds, grow roots and build authority until one day you just wake up to consistent, predictable traffic. And who doesn't want that? So one thing to know here is that SEO, it takes time. Google basically needs to trust you first. The first 60 to 90 days are always quite quiet, but after that the growth becomes real. Not random impressions, but actual people discovering the product at the exact same moment they're searching for a solution. So after 90 days, we will have created around 270 new articles across all 3 products, enough to dominate our entire topic clusters. So we are doing this for our own 3 brands, Replic, n8n and Scalic, and you can build the exact same engine for your own site. So this is why it works. We already know how to win through outbound. That's our home. But with inbound, it creates the long-term success. So the SaaS companies that stands the test of time aren't the ones who only send the most emails. They're also the ones who own their distribution, their content, their search presence and their authority. So publishing daily blogs is our way to build that foundation. It creates organic traffic that compounds, trust in the outreach niche, steady top of funnel growth and cross promotion between all of our tools. Outbound drives revenue now and inbound drives the revenue every day after. So here's the expectations. The real movement starts around day 60 with the first meaningful signs. Day 90 we will see real traffic, and day 120 and forward we will going to see that exponential curve. And because the websites, they link to each other, the authority flows through the whole ecosystem. So we're basically building a content engine that never sleeps. So if you want that for your business, let's dive into the flow. Okay, so this is how it looks inside of n8n, and I'm going to walk you through step by step here. So the first step right here is that we're going to, every day at 8 a.m. start the process to publish a new blog. We're going to retrieve your blog topics list and take the first one out of the pending list. So we're going to use a Google Sheet right here. You can see the status right here. The okay ones, they are already published. And then so at 8 a.m. every single day, it's going to take the pending ones. And you see the topic that we have right here, the keywords for that specific blog post that we're going to generate. Here we have the goal for that blog post, how many words we want to target, the content type we have, audience level, the internal links that we want to link into, and we are using our own 3 different tools right here to link them to each other. We have the URL right here, tone and style, authority signals, and also we're going to analyze our competitors. So here you can see that we added our competitors in order for our agents right here to research them. So basically what we're doing, the first step here is that we're going to use Perplexity API to research. We're going to collect key facts, trends, sources, and data about this topic. And then the next step, we're going to do a content strategy, define search intent, structure, core angle, and main talking points. And after that, we're going to generate primary keywords, secondary keywords, and long tails in order to make this as SEO friendly as possible. So next step after that, we're going to refine target persona, unique angle, pain points, and EAT boosters for trust and authority. So once we know who we target and we adjust it after that, we're going to analyze top competitor articles to identify gaps and opportunities to outperform. After that, we're going to suggest internal links and authoritative external citations for SEO to increase our impact and our credibility. Next step here is that we're going to finalize outline, tone, structure, and editorial guidelines. So we're going to write and generate the full article draft aligned with SEO SEO and persona. We're going to transform everything to a clean Webflow ready HTML. And for each blog post, we're going to generate a thumbnail, and then we're going to put everything inside of Webflow. So basically we're going to put everything where they should be so that we can publish everything to the website on autopilot. So this is basically how it looks like inside of the sheet. So once we have published something, it's going to be status of OK here. So these ones we already published to our websites. And here you can see an example where you can see that we posted a new article every single day. And you can see that we did the same for Scalyc and also for Notix. And we have the internal links but also external links throughout the whole blog post. So basically you can see that we have a new thumbnail for all of our blog posts. So if you also want to build your own inbound engine like this, I invite you to join our school community where I upload AI agents and flows like this for you to use in your business. So we started this community for salespeople, entrepreneurs or business owners who doesn't know how to use tech or automations to scale their business. If this is you, make sure to join now. I really hope you find value in this video. If you did, please comment and like this video down below. I look forward to talk to you again in the next video. Have a good week. Bye.